English Listening Test for Kids, Starter Level, Test 21. 1. How are you today?
I am sick.
1. How are you today?
I am sick.
2. What color is your hat?
It is purple and black.
What color is your hat?
It is purple and black.
3. How old is the dog?
It is 6 years old.
How old is the dog?
It is 6 years old.
4.
What's the weather like?
It is cloudy today.
What's the weather like?
It is cloudy today. 5. What shape is it?
It is a triangle.
What shape is it?
It is a triangle.
6. What can you play?
I can play tennis.
What can you play?
I can play tennis.
7.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday. 8. What is he doing?
He is swimming.
What is he doing?
He is swimming.
9. What is the cat doing?
It is singing.
What is the cat doing?
It is singing.
10.
How many eyes does the monster have?
It has 6 eyes.
How many eyes does the monster have?
It has 6 eyes.